Hi everyone. If you're drowning in debt and looking for a way out, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share with you some proven strategies to get out of debt quickly. So let's dive right in. First things first, create a debt repayment plan. List all your debts, credit cards, loans, everything. Organize them by interest rate from highest to lowest. This will help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Next, consider the Snowball Method. Pay off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate. The momentum from paying off one debt can give you the motivation to tackle the next one. Remember, small wins add up. To free up more money for debt repayment, cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that subscription you never use? Or those daily lattes? Every little bit counts. Another powerful strategy is to increase your income. Take on a side hustle, freelance, or sell unused items online. The extra cash can go straight to paying down your debt. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. Many will work with you to lower your interest rates or set up a more manageable payment plan. A quick phone call could save you a lot of money. Lastly, stay motivated. Getting out of debt isn't easy, but with determination and a solid plan, you can do it. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and keep your eye on the prize, financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who could use these tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance advice. Together, we can achieve financial freedom. See you in the next video.